Alright, we're throwing stuff in the ceiling fan because it's really funny.
And we're not even, the best part is we're not even high.
That was awesome! That was awesome! Oh!
Dude,
oh!
No, that was good again.
That was fucking...
Yeah, yeah.
Oh
my God. This is great. This is like the best thing.
Hurry!
You have to hurry! Quick! Hurry! Oh my God, hurry! Hurry!
Oh shit.
Hey,
Oh, it's wrapping around the fan.
Wait. It's like a tornado.
That's awesome.
It's a decorative art piece.
Where'd that box go?
I don't know. Oh, you took it off. Like dodging.
Hey Kurt, throw this up in there.
God, it's going in. Kurt should back up for that one. It's gotten really elaborate now.
Oh, it's around that goddamn.
I like how Christy used toilet paper to put up her mouth.
Oh, there we go. That's awesome.
Johnny needs it.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, I know, that is kind of cool. I kind of want to leave that.